Moving into a new home is exciting, but before you unpack, there's one crucial step you shouldn't skip: a proper move-in clean. Even if the place looks spotless, hidden dirt, dust, and bacteria can linger in unexpected corners. Starting fresh means starting clean. Welcome to the FastKlean channel. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our professional cleaning tips. A new home may appear clean, but previous tenants may have left behind pet dander, grease, or grime in hard-to-reach places. If it's been vacant for a while, it's probably collected dust and stale odors. A thorough move-in clean gives you peace of mind and sets the foundation for easier maintenance. Start with the kitchen. Wipe inside cupboards and drawers, disinfect worktops, scrub sinks, clean ovens, and freshen up fridges and freezers. Sweep and mop floors to get rid of any remaining dirt. Bathrooms need extra attention. Disinfect toilets, scrub sinks, remove limescale from showers and bathtubs, polish mirrors, and clean grout to eliminate mold and bacteria. In bedrooms and living areas, wipe wardrobes, clean windows and sills, dust fixtures, and wash or vacuum floors and carpets. Entryways should also be tackled. Doors, handles, shoe racks, and floors often collect grime during moving. Don't forget the details. Clean air vents, freshen drains with baking soda and vinegar, and disinfect high-touch areas like light switches and doorknobs. Deep cleaning before unpacking makes the process smoother and ensures a healthier environment from day one. Hiring professionals can save time and guarantee spotless results, especially if the property has been neglected or left empty for a while. A fresh start begins with a clean slate. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's moving soon, and don't forget to subscribe to the FastKlean channel for more expert cleaning advice.